My dear viewers, for a very long time in this country, a section of the media got used to setting the narrative. Now, this means that they decided what was right. They decided according to their convenience what was true. They further decided according to what was further convenient to them who is corrupt and who is not. And so, over a period of time, this group became arrogant, overconfident. They decided the narrative and that was it. Eventually, nobody else had a say. This group, their decline started around 2010 with the corruption scams being exposed. It accelerated after 2014 when they and their patrons lost power in Delhi. Then it went into semi-permanent decline in 2019 when the country rejected them again. And now with the prospect of losing power forever, this group, who I informally call the lobby, has gone mad. It's gone completely mad. As they say in simple English, viewers, I don't want to be rude, but this group of people in the media, they've gone bonkers. Trust me, after 24 years in journalism, 16 years as an editor, 3 years as an independent editor-in-chief and media entrepreneur, running India's largest network and building India's largest news network from scratch, I have no problem if someone who is decaying or someone who is decaying and defunct wants to take my name to gain one day's relevance. But there are two questions I will ask. One, when the CBI has said it is investigating the Sushant case and is looking at all angles, including the murder angle, and has said so on record yesterday at 4 o'clock, why are these rejects using a rejected leak to forcibly close the Sushant case? Supari liye kya? Have you taken a contract, what they call in Hindi a supari, from some politician to do so? Supari liya kya? Secondly, now that it appears there was no rape, leave alone gang rape of the victim in Hathras, and now that evidence has come out that according to the call data records, the victim and the accused were in very close touch with each other, that they made 104 calls to each other in 100 days. Some people are suggesting that this could be a case of an honor killing. Needs to be investigated if it is an honor killing. And now that it is clear that this was fake news aimed at spreading a nationwide caste riot, will this riot lobby explain what they gained by playing on a 19-year-old girl's death under mysterious circumstances? Lied to the people of India. Lied only to spark riots. Viewers, this lobby wants thousands of Indians killed. I've been saying so since Shaheen Bagh. And this time I will not spare them. In the Hathras case, believe me, the nation wants to know and the nation will get to know. That's why I have a big investigation tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Tomorrow 10 a.m. viewers, before I tell you about my debates today, tomorrow 10 a.m. the biggest investigation, the biggest truth about Hathras at 10 a.m. simulcast across the Hindi, English, Republic Media and digital and television networks.